See, now I don't wanna hear about different weathers. Every day is cold, babe, I need a sweater. I need you. It's raining down in Texas. Shit is so cold and I'm getting old, baby. Won't you hold me? Stop being so bold. I need you right now in Texas. You've been brewing, you've been stewing, you've been flying on a high now. It's even the clouds that wanna climb down. And if I'm waiting, then I'm waiting, babe, I'm waiting through the weather. Cause when I say yeah, I meant that forever. Now they talking about they recon and talking about it's me. Talking about they wanna be with me. Fuck do you see? Yeah, I know that it's that good nigga. Don't get high, cause I saw something from you. Was that a spite? Yeah, I'm real fucked up in my mind. I want it clean. I'm talking mean green, everything between. Insecure as fuck, do you know what I mean? So if you can't secure in me, then you about to see a 3D. That's me when I piece a body. Because I be on my skip like dee. You would thought I was giving a query. Now this just Pluto and a motherfucking dream. Yeah, I can be out here all week. I'm weathering the storm for a week. And baby, I need you right now here down in Texas. Cause it's raining down in Texas. And baby, you've been brewing, you bold with the hexes. It's really giving hexes, nigga. Can you not move, or is it giving real maddie? I know my mouth is bold, I get petty, but meet me where I'm at, or I'ma have to get sweaty. And I don't want a tit for tatty, but this is giving it for daddy. Bitch, I see why they off with the hits like Hattie. They rushed in hits like someone just dropped the Addy. Now rest your head and baby get up off that Addy. I don't give a fuck how they done flavored your retarded. Niggas is out here with no sanity. I don't give a fuck if they said that you was out giving ADHD. You better be that motherfucking B. The B. Who the fuck you gonna be? You retarded ass motherfucking spirits. I love you. Shit, and want nothing from you but you. And in particular, that you know it's raining down in Texas, and you are particular, you know. And I wanna rain in Texas for the moment, or am I giving Maddie? Is it giving real or hexy? If I don't know how to skip the B and go to lefty, they call me Handy Matty. With the methods, only out here texting, only out here texting. What? They see the Lexus, bitch, that ain't no Crescent. That's just giving faxes. What? Delirium, I've been out here swimming children since children. Yeah. Them ideas, I done cried, so tears, I done so tears. Yeah. The house, so always on my box, so Philly giving rock, so yeah. My war banks be like war dinks. Yeah. Let me run that back. My war. What was it? My war bucks give like war banks. My war bucks give like war banks. My war bucks give like more banks. Kawabuga, praise the Lord, thanks. Stupid shit, I try not to score, thanks. I crash, I have you in that four flanks. Get off my mind, I be like more thanks. What? Get off my mind, I be like more thanks. So many other things that I can't flourish sing. So many other things that I can't flourish sing. I'm on that road just like that Florida thing. I'm on that road just like that velour tank. Why ice me out in a velour tank? You don't know if I'm talking about the top or the war tank. Because it's giving very much more things. Alright. Whoa, I'm out here swag. I'm literally surfing in fucking Texas right now. Like, y'all think I'm like, girl giving love song. I'm giving life song. I'm giving bitch. When RuPaul said, bitch, thank for your life, I took that literal. Cause child, these country roads giving like more thanks. Please, more pothole situations, girl. These not even potholes. These is, girl, river rafts. like a water then came up underneath the shit, started shaking up the anterior like fucking lining of the goddamn road. Child, I had to sing for my motherfucking life. Alright, y'all.